Seedless Mi Ying, Li Hung Mao. I don't know how to say this stuff, but look at these. Let's get one of these out of here. Let's see what this is all about. This is a local Hawaiian candy of some kind. Oh wow, it's really in there. I didn't even have to do all that. Okay. There we go. Let's eat it. Whoa! Oh! Ah! No! 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 No, I don't like this. This is like sour salt. I don't know, it's the bottom of a pack of salt trail mix, you know, the peanuts and raisins and all that stuff together. I don't, why am I doing this? I have to eat one more just to show you. I mean, no, that's it. That gets a 0.